All right, now it's time for us to connect our domain. We have purchased a domain from Godaddy. To connect this domain to our store, we need to go back to our Shopify store. Then go to Settings on the bottom left. Here, click on Domain from the left menu. Since we already have a domain, we will click on Connect Existing Domain. Now we only need to type in our domain name here, and then click on this Next button. And now click on Verify Connection. Now, you'll see these A and C name records here. We only need to copy these records and then paste it into the domain settings. So, I will go to Godaddy now and click on the domain that I want to connect with Shopify. Now, I will click on this DNS option. You'll see some records here. So I will click on this Add New Record option. In the type, I will select the A record. Next, in the name, I will type ANS, and then in the value section, I will simply paste the copied info from Shopify, and then I will hit the Save button. Next, I will come back to Shopify. Here, I will copy this CNAME record. Then I will again go to the domain settings. When you scroll down, you'll see this CNAME record. I will simply click on this Edit button, and then I will paste the value that I copied from Shopify, and then I will save these changes. Next, I will come back to Shopify and click on this Verify Connection button. Here, you can see that the CNAME record part is finished, but the A record error is still showing errors. So, I will again go to the domain settings. Here, if you look carefully, you'll see that there are two A records here. We have already added the A records, but we didn't delete the old records. So, what I will do now is that I will simply click on this trash icon to delete this old A record. Once it's done, I will go back to Shopify and then click on Verify Connection. And you can see that the domain is added here successfully. And now, if we click on this domain and then click on this View button, it will take us to our Shopify store that we designed recently. That's how easy it is to connect our domain with Shopify. You can also add multiple domains in one Shopify store and then change the domain type to primary domain. By the way, if you want to learn how to create premium quality Shopify stores using free resources, then we have already created a tutorial on that topic. Click here to watch that video, and I will see you there.